What's up, you guys? Welcome back. It's a new vlog, a new day. May here, and I'm back. It's a new vlog. Had game night last night with my friends, where they semi my friends now, but you know, but I didn't even vlog. I just wanted to be in the moment of just, you know, you be wanting to be in the moment sometimes. Like, you don't want to have to be pulling out a camera, everything. But y'all, I got messed up. Like, I'm rebooting myself right now. So I got up, it's 1:13. I got up hungry, so I'm about to go get some oysters. I don't know why I got a taste for some oysters. I'll probably put them in the oven and then eat some raw too. So this particular Kroger that I'm about to go into, they have like good oysters. And then I'm gonna go get some ribs. I think I'm gonna put some ribs in the oven, cook Sunday dinner, have ribs, rice. I don't know what else should I cook with the ribs, but I know I want ribs and rice. They be so tender. You put them in the oven, let them like cook and do its thing. They be so good. But let's go up in Kroger real quick. I'm so tired. I'm about to go ahead and get this over with because I feel like I sound crazy. I look crazy. Let me throw this cup away. Y'all have an amazing day. My camera went dead yesterday with doing the photo shoot for Princess Amani at Keisha's house. Journey and Jaya took pictures with Mariah's new merch, which they always support the merch, Mariah merch. But they did really good and they had fun. It was like sleepover vibes. I had died. I ain't really like show y'all, but I don't know if I put pictures and stuff on this particular vlog, but I will put them up. But yeah, let me go in here and see. Hopefully, well, I called and they said they had some, so, but y'all know how they can be. Yeah.
Hell yeah. It's rare to see somebody coming with a camera.
Really? So yeah, I feel like I need a green juice. I don't know. But one thing about this particular Kroger, like, it is so clean. Strawberries. Oh. They get some strawberries. But when I tell y'all, this particular Kroger, everything is so clean. I like this Kroger better than any Kroger. And also, I'm listening to Mike Todd. I don't know if y'all know. I love Mike Todd. Like, I'm my best to listen to him at least. You know, if I don't listen to the whole thing, I literally try to listen to him. I feel like I need something to like pull myself together, because I don't feel like I'm there. Like, everything's so much fresh here. Like, everything is so fresh here. Like, look at this. The Kroger by my house don't have none of this. They look so good, but I don't know if I eat it. And they got like hot food. They got like everything, literally everything in this Kroger. Look at this salad. It's a good looking Caesar salad. I'm about to get this. I'm about to get this. I'm about to get to, like, look at this. They have everything. Alright, should have definitely came with me. She didn't want to get up. She next time, I'm gonna have to tell her this Kroger is the best. I'm about to get some of these oysters right here. They are $1. So yeah, look at these shrimp, look good. I wish they had some head-on shrimps. Shrimps with the heads. I like those better. See, they take the heads off. Yeah, I need to get some oysters. Oysters?
Oysters? How many?
Maybe like 15.
15.
Thank you. Some of these. Alright, y'all, so let me finish and then, cause I gotta go by one more store. And I need some parsley. What are the seasonings? Alright, I'll be back. What's up, y'all? Back again. Hold on, y'all. I'm already gonna do a TikTok. This will. Really?
Not that much.
Real quick, but we about to eat at, give it here.
Oh, you
Buffalo Wild Wings. Been here so long. I already know what I want. I want my salt and vinegar wings.
Cause that's the only one I had on me. Right. And I was doing this and
You know this? You don't have to act like as if you ain't got them nails on. Pull them pants down. Y'all about to get some wings. I ain't been here in so long. I already know what I want. Salt and vinegar. Y'all haven't had them? Y'all gotta get them.
that's what I wanted to go for spring break.
Come on. You can do it right here on this wall right here. Girl, quit acting as if you got them nails on. Why did you put them on? You can do it right here, right there. We're gonna go inside Buffalo Wild Wings and we're about to eat. Alright, y'all. You guys, happy Saturday. Today is a new vlog, y'all. The wig is wigging. Lace wear, like lace wear. I'll wait. So I put this wig on for the girls who don't like baby hairs, because I had somebody come in like, I'm so tired of the baby hairs. So yeah, I like the baby hairs. I have, sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't like them. It just very depends on when I'm doing my hair, if I, you know, do the baby hairs or not. They were just tired. I don't know. But, you know, I feel them. Sometimes I like the baby hair. Sometimes I don't. But today's wig, I'll leave across the screen. But also, y'all know I recorded this video for y'all. So y'all can see me applying this wig. And the terrible mistake that I made with cutting this bob or blunt cut. Supposed to be blunt cut, but it's a bob now. Whatever you want to call it. But today is a new day. So we're about to go eat. We went to this restaurant for Valentine's Day. And we enjoyed it so much. We're about to actually go again. Alright, this outfit. Let me show y'all outfit of the day. You want to show them outfit of the day? What? Come on, let's show the outfit of the day. My outfit of the day, I don't know if y'all able to see it all the way, but I got on this two-piece set with my Balenciaga bag. I have my, you don't want to go there? I thought this when you said you like it. My Yeezys. I thought my outfit was gonna, but they pretty match. Show them your outfit. Cause you look cute. Yeah, I thought you wanted to go there. No. You did. You said I like this place. I can't wait till we come back. Yeah, ashy legs.
Ashy legs.
Yeah, look. That's mean you ashy. Y'all, so outfit of the day. Cute bob. Cute nails. So freaking cute. I just love them. Did them myself. So yeah, let's show Mari what she got on. Come here. Sheen Air Forces. Sheen Air Forces. Princess Imani on the socks.
Bobos from here. Oh.
Yes, alright y'all, so we're about to head out. Y'all can't see me, but yeah, I'll show y'all once we get there and show y'all the restaurant and everything. Bye. What they hand on today, because they was really good. Like, I ate it up. So yeah, let me see, let me get the video. Keep walking. Keep walking. Go ahead, Dad. Go ahead. Mom and them in here somewhere. There they go. Mariah. Straight ahead, Mariah. She said we should went to this crab. And she liked it when we came Valentine's Day. You can't get it. Guys, we about to go into Publix. I ordered my dad a birthday cake. We just finished eating, but I gotta make this quick because I got somewhere to be, people to see, places to be, people to see.
Are you gonna see it?
Are we gonna see him eat the cake?
Yes, I'm gonna say, are you gonna see us say happy birthday?
Yeah, we're gonna sing happy birthday. So y'all, we about to, my sister at the store too, getting some stuff, but we're about to get a cake. Hopefully, they got it ready in the bakery area. That's it, we'll see. Look at it, Mariah. Yeah, it's perfect. Alright, y'all, so let me get this cake real quick and then I'll talk to y'all. So they give you the ticket, you gotta pay for it, and then you gotta bring back the receipt to get the cake. So we're gonna make this quick. Are y'all in line? Are y'all in line for this? Yeah. We gotta make this quick because I got somewhere to be in like a few hours. So be back. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
So pretty. When I blow them out.
Make a wish.
Blow them out.
Yay!
Thank y'all.
Oh my gosh, this child. Stand there.
What? Oh, okay, I'm ready to get it. Thank y'all. Thank you, baby.
And cut the cake.
Hey, y'all had me. I thought
Give
y'all
me your
forgot.
dessert. We thought we forgot.
Yay.
Forgot what, your birthday?
Yeah, forgot to get me something. Y'all sure did ask Mariah there. You didn't ask Mariah. What, Mariah, what's going on? I ain't got nothing. I'm supposed to get stuff. Boy, that's pretty too. Ain't that pretty, ain't?
We're at the church tomorrow.
I just seen
It's
the
here.
plain one. And,
It's here.
this
My black clean.
What's up for a shot?
Nice shirt.
You took our clothes out.
It ain't gonna be too little.
That's a extra large. It won't be too long, too short. That's it.
They're gonna fit all right. I mean, try it, take it.
That's all you got?
No. No. That's pretty cool there. I go with that the church. But I'm gonna wear
Either
that
one. Let's cut the cake.
Yes.
Where the money at?
Pictures that I lost them all.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top, I'm balanced, I'm leveling. Red under my heels, I ain't stumbling. You nigga wanna buy me? Chanel, Dior, Versace.